Welcome to Crypto Climate, where we observe the climatic current pulse and forecasts of the markets, guys. So immediately we move on to the Fear and Greed Index. We see that we're currently at 59 with Ethereum, basically heading up back towards that greed range, guys. 59 green, towards the green here. We're gonna have to wait and see. Last week we were at neutral, so again, Ethereum usually leads the altcoin market. So let's actually dig into Ethereum's current price. We do see that we're currently at $1,708, guys, just above that round number of $1,700, guys. We do see that we're above this current blue trend line once again after piercing it back here. With today's candle, actually, we touched it right down and confirmed it as support. Wow, this green bullish positive candle for Ethereum continues to be in this range here, in this channel, this ascending channel, where we had a fake out here for a couple of days, almost a week, guys, but then we came right back into it. So that ascending channel pattern is still at play here, and then we just seem to be on our way, as we've been saying since January, for a couple of weeks now, more than a month. We're just on our way to that $1,786 key resistance level, which is that next key resistance, for Ethereum's current price. Indicators wise, we see some bearish divergence on this daily chart. We have here higher levels on the indicators and lower highs here, while making new higher local highs for the price. So usually when you have bearish divergence on the indicator, price tends to follow. So we're gonna have to just wait and see in the next couple of days how things are going to play out, guys. With regards to the altcoin market cap, same deal, similar to Ethereum. As we say, Ethereum leads the altcoins. Here we see that we're currently at $604 billion inside every other cryptocurrency except Bitcoin. We had a fake out here as well, just to retest this downward green trend line here. Wow, look at that TA, man. We came right back down to retest it, reclaimed this ascending channel as well. So it's acting just similar to Ethereum, as I said, on our way again, as we've been saying for weeks on end, to retest most likely that $616 billion altcoin market cap. That's going to be pivotal in the next couple of days. So if you analyze these charts, you can get the gist of it. And even though this is Crypto Climate, we're going to do a Bitcoin Climate episode soon. All of these coins, they're all coming up to a point where this is a pivotal time in the markets, guys. We're heading into our third month of the year, and they're all coming up to key resistance levels. A lot of bullishness. Who knows, it might break through and continue on. Maybe there's enough momentum, but we have to keep in mind these key resistances, and see how things play out with regards to that. So again, this has been a crypto recovery rally, and since January, for the first couple of months of the year, we've had this recovery rally to key resistance levels. So we definitely have to keep an eye out for that and see how we react with this recovery rally. Is it going to just be a recovery rally and then, dump back down or retest some lower levels once again? Or has the trend shifted and we're gonna actually break through and make the recovery rally an actually longer term rally in itself? So the DXY we see is currently at 103.85. So again, the DXY has been on a small uptrend for the past 2 weeks, and now we broke the key resistance of 103.85, and then we're just looking at that 105.35. That's pivotal, guys. So maybe we're coming down here to retest as support before heading on up to the next resistance. But the DXY, the Dixie, the dollar index usually plays a pivotal role in risk assets and them going up or down. So we're gonna have to wait and see in the next couple of days, next couple of weeks, what the DXY is gonna decide to do. If it's gonna retest the resistance and then maybe even break towards the next one, which would be at 108.31. guys, don't forget to click that subscribe button, click the notification bell to stay tuned for our fresh off the press educational videos. Thank you so much, guys, for subscribing. So and also we have a free educational playlist. Link is in the description down below. One click, get a pen or pencil and a piece of paper and just dig in, guys. We have educational presentations for you guys just a click away. Beautiful, guys. So moving on to the top 5 best performing assets, the top 5 cryptocurrencies in the world and their performance for the past 24 hours and 7 days. You can see here we start immediately with Ethereum, the top 5 altcoins, $1,707. You know, the last 24 hours up 1.43%, the last 7 days up 14.57%. Wow. Then actually let's go ahead and get the watch list here for you guys. To remove the stable coins, we have BNB at number 2 at $315, up 9% for the past week. Number 3, XRP, the scam, at 40 cents, up 8.46%. Number 4, Cardano at 40 cents, up almost 15%. Wow. And then we have number 5, Matic, you know, beating Dogecoin now. Matic, top 5, guys, top 5 altcoin in the world. Wow, at $1.50, up 26.78%. Amazing. We move on to the top 5 best performing assets for the past week. We start with Conflux at 27 cents, up 444%. Man, look at that, guys, in just 7 days. Insanity. Number 2, Stacks at 61 cents, up 111%. Wow. $1 billion trading volume less than 24 hours. Wow, that's amazing. Then we have Filecoin at $8.25, up 72%. Number 4, Neo, up 66% at $13.78. And then Clayton at 28 cents, up 45.61%. Wow, man, the markets are green. This recovery rally has been acting strong. Then, you know, we have Blur here, the top 5 worst performing assets in the last 7 days, down 75.81% at about $1.20. Number 2, Uniced Leo at $3.33. Wow, exactly, all threes, huh? Down 1.67%. And then the rest we have essentially stable coins. These pegged to the dollar, and then this one to gold, guys. So usually that happens when the markets are going up. Guys, if you enjoy the content, don't forget to like the video. Helps the algorithm and other people find our channel. Link in the description below for our website. Great investment tools and resources for you guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for your time and attention. Hope you guys have a good one.